Alright, what is up, everybody? We're on the Quarantine Cook, episode number 3. We've made it that far. The YouTube channel's blowing up. I thank everybody that's been liking and subscribing my videos. But today, it's Saturday. I'm technically off. It's a vacation day for the Quarantine Cook. So, it's the Quarantine Girls Cooking Day. And we are making crepes from scratch. Crepes? No, they're called crepes.
I know.
We're making it from scratch because, you know, we know how to cook here. I was making spaghetti and making jokes, but we're actually going to be doing this for real. So, we have the Secret Family recipe right here. So the girls have been working on our sifted flour, our sugar, the eggs, our melted butter, vanilla extract, 2 cups of milk. So we got the flour and the sugar sifted into a mixing bowl. Shauna is adding our liquids right now. So we got the raw batter right there. Everything is looking pretty good. Now, today I get to run the camera. So we're going to have some better shots. And another thing is, we're going to keep the video under 10 minutes. So, we're going to shut this off for a little while till we get some more excitement. We're going to get the pan heated up. We're going to get the next step of the recipe, and we'll be right back with you. Alright guys, so we're back. I've been waiting a little while to show you guys. This is my secret weapon in my kitchen. And now, we might have to like get a custom branded setup here. But when it comes to having a handy mixing tool in the kitchen, you cannot go wrong with a cordless drill. Now we're not going to over whip this. We just want some soft peaks to form. We just want it to be well mixed. So we're going to be real careful we don't overdo it here. But this is the perfect tool for kitchen convenience right there. Throw your plugged in mixer away. Buy one of these bad boys for 20 bucks at Walmart. Look at those nice bubbles in there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's where you want it to be. Alright guys, we're back on the Quarantine Cooking. We ain't trying to make no fake ass YouTube videos where everything just goes perfectly. We got one kid over here that don't know how to peel the kiwis. She's not looking too happy right now. She thinks that I don't know how to make good YouTube videos. I suppose people that peel kiwis just wake up and they're good kiwi peelers from right out of the gate, huh? Tell it to my audience. I have a large following. I've got subscribers.
And I have 100K TikTok followers. So.
100K TikTok followers.
Not 100K. 1K.
1K TikTok followers. They're all Chinese hackers that you are letting into our house and exposing our state secrets to. How do you feel about yourself?
She doesn't even have that many.
And she thinks that
I have 569 followers, so shut up.
She thinks that all YouTubers woke up one morning and they were all amazing. They were all professional YouTube video makers. The first day they made their first YouTube video. Isn't that right?
It doesn't have to be fucking perfect. It just needs to house these.
I was freaking slapping them.
Well, we got animal cruelty on camera now too.
God. Mackenzie, it is hard to peel when something is so squishy.
So,
Not that hard.
the Quarantine Cook, we don't have no behind the scenes
Shut up!
perfect systems here. This is chaos. This is what America cooking looks like. But we got, anyways, the whole point was...
I know it's not Chinese hackers because they're actually people.
You heard it here first. They're actually real people. But anyways, back to the YouTube channel, because I don't care about TikTok. Sorry, TikTokers. We might TikTok later. But for right now, we have a YouTube channel.
Such a boomer.
I'm not a boomer, so.
Yeah, well,
I'm a boomer.
no, you're Gen Z.
Gordon Ramsay ain't
Well,
got
not a
shit
Gen Z,
on my
but
kitchen.
millennial.
That's all I'm saying.
Millennial.
He ain't got this kind of stress level situation.
Yeah.
But anyways, crepes.
Crepes.
Creepies.
Crepes.
I told you to clean up the peels, Mackenzie.
Stop.
Don't worry, we're not using this audio. There's gonna be some kind of a sweet montage playing right now.
Stop!
We'll use that audio. Alright, so anyways,
I'm suing.
you can't sue me anyways, it doesn't matter. So,
Yes, I can.
no you can't. So anyways, the crepes are going well, you know, zero stress in the kitchen, as is expected
Lie.
in a house with 4 kids.
Lie. Lie.
Just like on all the professional cooking shows. So anyways, we'll get back with you. We're going to cut up some fruit. We're going to get some other stuff staged up here. Remember, we're going to make this a 10-minute video. Alright, we're back. So, anyways, we are working on making our own whipped cream because, yeah, we also know how to do that around here. So, Shauna over here has got the bowl ready. Just come out of the freezer. She's got her sugar. Look at that bowl. Little heavy whipping cream. What is that, 1 cup or 2 cups, Shauna?
1. Telling me we'll need to do 1.
1 cup. And we're going to get our handy dandy tool out here in a second. Ooh, she's even leveling off the cup. That's professional. And just so we don't do any advertising for anything, we'll just move these over there. Except for Reynolds Wrap. Just in case you need that. And hey, my Aunt McCormick sent her vanilla extract as well, just in case you guys need that.
Where'd you put the drill?
The drill? Hang on a second, we'll get the drill.
Can't rely on a man to do anything.
That's right.
You just insulted yourself.
So
Did
what?
not. Called self-sufficiency. Everyone should have it.
Independency.
Apparently somebody forgot to turn the lights on in the studio today.
Gotta hold them in the oven. 200 degrees.
Yep, we're holding in the oven at 200 degrees. This is the worst cooking show for giving you the actual instructions on how to make stuff. But
It's from scratch.
it's alright.
I did write it down, except for the holding in the oven part.
We're gonna keep working on that. We have some fruit ready, washed off on the side here. Where's that? We're gonna need a photo montage of the fruit.
It's kind of all.
That is
Kept up safe from the dog.
kept up safe from the dog. Official Travis Ramsey cooking set there that we're operating. But anyways, we'll be back. Alright guys, we are back and we got the crepes. We got the plate dressed. Margot's got the whipped cream coming right now. Ooh, 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 look at that. Elfie is getting hungry, isn't he? Elfie's getting hungry. So we got a little syrup. We got our Pampered Chef dry and liquid mixer. Shout out to the Pampered Chef. We love you around here at the Quarantine Cook. But that is basically your crepes, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure you like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. All that fun stuff. For now, we're out. We gotta dress up the rest of these babies. There's the finished product in the pan. Ready
You can't.
to
You gotta
go.
like.
So that's it. You guys have a great one. We're doing a back-to-back episode today because I'm cooking ham later. So we'll be back in a little bit after we get done with this crepe mess. And we're going to be cooking up a full ham.